Yo, what's up guys, welcome to a new video. Just make another video on a daily recap on my PA account. So here I cashed out 10 days ago, and then this week, Thursday made 1,000, and then kind of went to a losing streak sadly. 160 and then 800, and then I had a huge pull, made 100 back, and then made 1.6. And I'm ready about to cash out again. I already am. So if you guys are new to my channel, I already cashed out before. Let me go to it. My request. So you can see I already requested 2.5. I already got my bank account, the money. And then if you can't see, I'm already up 5,000. I'm ready to cash out. So when this first of this month coming up, I'll be able to withdraw my money, and I'll make another video on that. Just saying guys, you won't ever see nobody guys show you how to cash out, right? And show you another cash out. Let me tell you something, most people could cash out maybe the first time if they even get lucky to there, because most people just get their account, their PA account, or their funded account, whatever you want to call it, right? They get it, they blow it, they never can make it to the first cash out, right? And besides that, let's move forward, right? Once they even cash out even the first time, you'll never see them again. Disappear. They might just got a good week, boom, you never see them again, right? That's already turning 5% in, right? And then people who cash out, if you guys don't know the statistics, right? The people who could get to the second one is literally just the top 1%. Only the top 1% could get the second cash outs to more than 2, right? So I'm just saying, you can just tell I'm literally the top 1% here. And not even that, 10 days ago, I already cashed out. In another 10 days, I'm going to cash out again. Under a month, I'm already cashing out 2 times. And next week is NFP week, so you won't see me play that. So, and then like probably the next other 10 days, you'll see me another cash out. So if you guys want to join my journey, you always can join the Discord. And I'll show you guys how to cash out. Last week, literally last week or 2 week-ish, right? I already cashed out and I cashed out again. Come on. Tell me who's more consistent than me, honestly. My piano looks literally more than great, honestly. Yeah, earning 1,000, taking small hits, 160, and then had one big day, that's it. And then took a small win, and then made a big win the last day. Come on. And then, if you guys want, I can show you guys live trades if you guys will like that. Because I don't take pennies, guys. I actually take good chunks of the market. I take a good trend of the market. I'm not these fake people who live stream and they'll literally take a micro poke, right? They're probably literally sponsored. You'll never see me a link on me. Anything. I don't care who you go with, right? With company. I don't care. I'm not here to pocket, to do affiliate links, none of that crap. If you guys want to follow them, because they're probably just pocketing from you. I'm telling you guys are a partner with these companies and making money off of them. I'm here actually showing the process how you actually should do it, right? And just wait until I get other PA accounts. Jeez, it'll be getting more cash outs, and I'll be continuing posting cash outs. So probably next week you'll see me do a live recording, me actually doing the whole process, because I know some of you guys don't know how the process works. I already did it once, how you can see, but I never recorded that sadly. So yeah, so the first of this month, right, the incoming month, I'll be cashing out. I'll make a video on this, guys. So watch out for that, and watch out in the next 10 days, another cash out. But not including FP week. You won't be seeing me playing that at all. So don't be expecting a weekly upload on that, sadly. But do expect for a video on the cash out. And you'll be seeing me request another 2.5. That'll be my second cash out. And then you'll see further on more cash outs. Not like other people who just literally get their first cash out and fucking blow their account. Trying to show you guys, because most of you guys don't have a lot of money. I know that by fact. I know a lot of you guys don't have money because all of you guys are in the game of trading for a reason, to get money, right? But these guys who are on YouTube, they're literally just blowing their effing accounts every single day. 50 accounts to pass one. Okay, yeah, I'm more than sure all you guys will have that money. I bet you guys have bills to pay. Right, I'm actually trying to show you guys how to properly risk manage, how to get there, how to get your cash out, get other cash out, right? So, because you guys can really make this a full-time job. Just get 3 to 2. You could literally replace a 9 to 5 let me tell you something. That's your job first, to replace your 9 to 5. Then focus the next goal, the next goal, the next goal until you get your goal you're looking for. All right. So see you in 10 days, and good luck on trading. And if you want to join my Discord, you always can. Link in the bio, and you'll see how I play, and I'll live stream every single day. And you can cash out like me and become a top 1% trader.